Hey, you. Yes, you. I know you've spent money on skincare products that didn't work. I know you've tried expensive perfumes that faded in 2 hours. What if I told you everything you need is already sitting in your home? One jar, one secret, Vaseline. Most girls think Vaseline is just for dry heels or chapped winters. But the girls who actually know, they're using it to look effortlessly beautiful every single day. And today, I'm giving you their secrets. Secret one, your perfume isn't lasting because you're applying it wrong. Here's what the smart girls do. Melt a full jar of Vaseline in hot water until it's liquid. Spray your favorite perfume directly into the melted Vaseline, as much as you want. Put it in the fridge for 3 hours. Now you have your own custom fragrance balm. Apply a tiny amount on your neck, wrists, and collarbones every morning, and you'll smell absolutely stunning from morning to night. No expensive perfume, no reapplying, just you, smelling like a dream. Secret 2, your eyebrows are changing your whole face, and you don't even realize it. Take the tiniest amount of Vaseline, rub it between your fingers, and brush it through your brows in the direction of hair growth. Watch how they look fuller, more defined, more structured. No brow gel, no tinting, just Vaseline, and suddenly your whole face looks more put together. Secret 3, frizzy hair. Take an almost invisible amount of Vaseline on your palms, lightly run it over your hair. Instant shine, instant smoothness, zero frizz. But remember, less is more here. A tiny bit goes a long way. Secret 4, soft, plump, healthy lips. This is a 3-step routine that costs almost nothing. Brush your teeth first, then take a soft toothbrush dipped in coconut oil and gently massage your lips in circles. This removes dead skin and naturally boosts blood flow, making your lips look fuller and pinker. Then seal it with a layer of Vaseline. Do this every night and wake up with lips so soft people will wonder what you're using. Secret 5, dark circles. Every girl knows this feeling. Late nights, tired mornings, eyes that tell everyone you didn't sleep. Every night before bed, apply Vaseline gently under your eyes. It works as a deep overnight moisturizer, healing and hydrating while you sleep. Then in the morning, take an ice cube and massage gently over your eyes. Do this for 1 week and notice the difference that no expensive eye cream ever gave you. 1 jar of Vaseline, a fragrance that lasts all day, brows that frame your face perfectly, hair that looks effortlessly smooth, lips that stay soft and full, eyes that look bright and rested. This is your glow up, and it costs almost nothing. Save this video, share it with your bestie, because she deserves to know too. And if you want to download everything shown in this video, go to Telegram and search Aesthninja. We'll see you there.